Stop scrolling. Yes, you. The one who's been carrying more than anyone knows. The one who pretends to be strong, even on the days when your soul feels tired. Pause. Take a breath. Because this moment is not an accident. Jesus needs you to hear this. I know you're overwhelmed. I know you're questioning your purpose, but I have not left you. Not for a second. You've been fighting battles silently, trying to stay positive, trying to hold your life together while everything around you feels uncertain. But listen, heaven has watched every step you've taken, every time you held back tears, every time you whispered, "God, please help me." Every time you stayed strong when you could have fallen apart. Jesus says, you're not weak, you're chosen, you're not forgotten, you're protected, you're not failing, I'm forming you. You think the silence means God is distant, but the silence is the season where He's building your strength, your endurance, your faith. You think the delay means your prayer wasn't heard, but the delay was God preparing something greater than what you prayed for. You think the heartbreak was punishment, but the heartbreak was redirection. God pulled people out of your life because they couldn't go where He's taking you. And right now, Jesus is whispering to you, don't panic, I'm rearranging things behind the scenes. You've been worried about the future, but Jesus already went ahead of you. You've been replaying old mistakes, but Jesus already forgave you. You've been blaming yourself for things that were never your fault, but Jesus is healing that part of you quietly. Hear this clearly. A breakthrough is coming, the kind you didn't expect, the kind that makes you say, only God could have done this. Your closed doors will make sense. Your delays will make sense. Your pain will make sense, because soon, very soon, God will show you why He didn't let certain things happen, why He made you wait, why He made you walk alone for a season. He was preparing you, strengthening you, maturing you, protecting you, anointing you. So lift your head, breathe again. You're not at the end of your story. You're at the turning point. Jesus is not done with you. He's not finished writing your testimony. He's not letting you fall, and He's not letting you go. A new chapter is coming. A healed version of you is coming. A blessed season is coming. A God-written turnaround is coming. Stop scrolling. This is your sign, your reminder, your confirmation. Jesus is with you, and He's about to move in your life.